Hey everybody, welcome to this week's edition of Chiro Chat. Today we are going to talk about the wonderful world of essential oils. They are all the rage and for very good reason. So Dr. Kat, do you want to sort of give an intro to them?
Okay, so essential oils are basically compounds driven from plant sources. They either steam distill them or they cold press them in terms of like any of the citrus oils. So it's the peels is where the oils are actually from. So they extract it with cold pressing. The idea is that they should be a pure oil. And you got to be careful who you buy from. You want to research the companies. You saw a couple of the companies that we use. You've also got your doTERRA and your Young Living brands as well. So Laurel in our office, she uses doTERRA oils. But you kind of want to make sure you're getting good quality and do a little research. But they have so many uses and they're so safe for you as long as you are properly diluting and paying attention to your usage.
Absolutely. So we use them around the office for quite a few things. We use them in our diffuser, so
which is Laura's
as
gonna show you.
aromatherapy.
You can see the vapor coming out of the top. That's just water with the essential oil in it.
So that we use that depending on our mood in the office or depending on, cold and flu season. We were putting things out that would help sort of boost immune systems along with energy levels.
Or help open your airways. And we talked about it before with the humidifiers that eucalyptus is a great thing to diffuse into the air in the winter.
Absolutely.
We also use it for various cleaning products. So you guys that are patients know that we have the silly little shoes that we put on you and we have to clean those between each use. So we actually make a spray that is essentially tea tree essential oil and rubbing alcohol. And you just spray it inside the shoes. I use it on my shoes at home at night because I like to wear them with no socks. Shut up. And then Tess, you want to talk about...
Speaking of smelly, they also make a really great poo spray. So you can basically use any scents that you like. It just sort of helps to, when you spray it in the toilet, it forms sort of a barrier on the top surface of the water that will help keep the not so pleasant odors from getting into the air.
Or as an air freshener after you go.
Or as an air freshener after you go. So this particular one we have cinnamon and
clove, I think.
Clove, which is fantastic, way better than what we're using it to cover up.
And so you've heard of poopery, right? So you can make your own, right? You need the bottle, you need the water and alcohol mix. So the alcohol, the reason you use that is to help the oil mix in because oil and water don't mix by default. The alcohol helps kind of solve that problem and let everything mix. So in here, you'll put 30 to 40 drops of essential oil, and that sounds like a lot, but it wouldn't cover the bottom of the bottle to put 30 or 40 drops in here, barely. So a little bit, one of these bottles is gonna last you a lot of uses.
Absolutely. And they also make really great cleaning products. So, the shoes, we sort of have an antibacterial vibe going with the shoes. We also have a table cleaner that we use. We have some citrus in that. We use it for our steam mop. And Kat has a really great countertop cleaner that she makes at home, and she'll tell you how she makes that.
Yes, so same idea. You've got alcohol, water combination to help the oils mix up. And it has 4 different essential oils in it. And we're going to share some recipes on the bottom of this post. But it is safe for your countertops. It is safe for you to come in contact with. The next time you are at the store, take a look at the label on a thing of Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes because they market them all about cleaning kitchen messes. But on the container, it says, do not come in contact with food. After you wipe down your kitchen surfaces, you need to wipe them down again with something else to get the residue off. What's the point if you have to clean up the cleaner? Also, you will save a ton of money because this is pennies on the dollar compared to those cleaners.
Absolutely. So clean up your environment and make it smell better while you're at it. Any questions, just hit us up below. Have a great week.